This one, now this one is controversial, but anyways we will solve it. Okay, now here what is given? EM wave equation is given, that Ex is equal to E naught sine kz minus 2 pi into 10 raised to power 60. Now this is given what? This is omega. First of all, let me mention it right here. E naught is the amplitude, maximum, the amplitude of the electric field vibration. Okay, and K is the, obviously, the wave vector. Understood? Now they are saying incorrect choices you have to tell. Okay, first of all, I will check the option number 1. In option number 1, it is written here By equal to B naught by V sine, everything is fine here, but this part, there is some problem. Because what is going to be the right equation? Try to understand. E naught is equal to B naught into V. So if I am writing B naught, that will become E naught divided by V. So this equation, if I am trying to write for magnetic field, it will become what? I will be writing B naught only here. B naught sine kz minus 2 pi into 10 is for 60. Now this is right equation. Another way we can write E naught by V sine kz minus 2 pi into 10 is for 60. This is also right. This one is wrong. Okay, so this is a kind of grace marks. Let's see what they are going to do. Okay, because this is some this is kind of misprint, or whatever you can consider, but this answer is obviously wrong. So this is, they are asking about what? Incorrect choices. This is incorrect, so this can be your answer. Okay, now moving ahead, option number 2, the direction of propagation of electromagnetic wave is along plus z direction. It is very clear. If you have solved even the simple question in this chapter, see, wave propagate in this direction. Understood? So 2 is right. So it is not our answer because we are searching for the incorrect one. Third one, the speed of EM wave inside the medium is 10 raised to power 8. How to solve this? We already know speed of wave in a particular medium is equal to speed of wave in vacuum, 3 into 10 raised to power 8, divided by root of dielectric constant. Okay, how much is the dielectric constant given? 9. So this, if I solve this, root 9 will become 3, so this will cancel. The answer will be coming 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. So this is correct answer actually. The speed of the EM wave inside the medium is this much we are getting, but they are talking about incorrect one. So this is also not our answer. Fourth option, the wavelength of the EM wave inside the medium is 300 meter. Okay, now what we have to check here? If we have to check the wavelength in a medium, that will be what? Velocity in the medium divided by frequency. Okay, so velocity in the medium we have already found, 10 raised to power 8 divided by frequency. Now which formula we can apply? Omega equal to 2 pi frequency. So frequency will become what? Omega divided by 2 pi. 10 raised to power 8, omega already I mentioned, 2 pi into 10 raised to power 6 divided by 2 pi. The answer will be coming how much? 100. But how much they have given here? 300. So fourth is the incorrect answer, but we have to mark the incorrect, so that is our answer. Got it? So this is dicey, like what you call it. This is also answer, this is also answer. So let's see whether they are going to give grace marks for it or not. Okay,